How to download entire OneDrive folder. If you have been using the OneDrive application and wondering on how to download the entire folder on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to download the entire folder, simply choose the folder first, just like this, and tap on it. Then here you can find the files into the folder. Now to download it all, simply keep on tapping on it, just like this. Now simply select all of the files of the folder, just like this. Then here you can find the download button right here. Select it. Now you can see it has been downloading. Now simply do the same process to download the entire folder in OneDrive. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.